Hello everyone. The former ANC Secretary General Ace Magashule's political career is in flames. In the final nail of Ace Magashule's coffin, the Supreme Court of Appeal dismissed attempts by him and businessman Edwin Sori to attack the legality of the asbestos scam prosecution against them, paving the way for them to go on trial on Friday. Ace Magashule and his co-accused, including former Mangaung Mayor Oli Mlamleli and Edwin, were arrested in November 2020 in connection with the 2015 asbestos tender amounting to 255 million rands. The trio were seeking to petition the Supreme Court of Appeal in relation to the strength of the case, despite Magashule's own desire to have the trial run as soon as possible. Magashule insists that there is no case against him, and he was unsuccessfully sought to challenge the basis for his prosecution. The SCA on Tuesday dismissed the appeal application on the basis that they had no reasonable prospect of success and there is no compelling reason why an appeal should be heard. Magashule insisted that there was no evidence against him and embarked on an unsuccessful litigation to have the case against him quashed. Magashule and his co-accused are due back in court on Friday. The state will argue that the case against them should proceed. Last year, the Supreme Court of Appeal dismissed Ace Magashule's application for leave to appeal against his suspension as the ANC Secretary General on the grounds there were no reasonable prospect of success. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.